always knew that they must know how much we love them. But we should never assume. We should let them know. Wrote William Shakespeare, they do not love, they do not show their love. Despite the changes which come into our lives, may we fill our days as much as we can with those things which matter most. May we cherish those we hold dear and express our love to them in word and in deed. Send that note to a friend you've been neglecting. Give your child a hug. Give your parents a hug. Say, I love you more. Always express your thanks. Never let a problem to be solved become more important than a person to be loved.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nawa po ang tunay na diwa ng Pasko ay ating mapanaliwa sa pamamagitan ng pagmamahalan ng pagkakaisa. Isa lang po ang nais namin ipabatid sa inyo na ang tunay na pagmamahal sa ating pamilya, kaibigan, kapatiran, ang pinakamagandang regalo na natanggap natin galing kay Jesus. At ito rin po ang nais namin ipasa sa bawat isa. Sama-sama po tayong magpasa ng tunay na pagmamahal, hindi lamang ngayong Pasko, kundi araw-araw sa ating buhay.